Alright, quick video, a little update of what I've done to bug here. I tinted the windows. Got a few spots I gotta correct, but no problem. Angry eyes, I finished those up. T-bars. What I really wanted to do today was just get a quick video of the tint. Quick video there, and then straighten up a bunch of wiring in the back here. Almost did a lot of wire tuck. It's not quite finished. I'm gonna get these redone. I'll redo those. Redo this coil. Tighten these wires right here up, and then I'll be installing my heater tubes because it's supposed to be getting cold pretty soon. But that's what it is.